Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add water to your AeroGarden. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to add water to the AeroGarden. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way that AeroGarden works is that once this needs water, the add water is going to start blinking red. And so to add water, all you're going to do is that you're going to open up this cap right over here. And then you're going to see an indication line that says fill to here. Okay, so this is where you're actually going to pour the water. So it's very simple, guys. Right now I just have a watering can. What I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to fill it up to that line over there. And I'm basically putting enough water to the point where it says fill to here. Okay, so where the water level actually hits the fill to here line. So that's simply it, guys, and you'll do that once the add water button starts to blink red, and it'll actually turn off once the water level has reached the indicated level. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add water to your AeroGarden. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.